So we got our 3 window well covers done. Something about our template that I found out is that it is skiwampus. It's out of square. So double check those measurements when you do your own window wells. I'm not saying that the person who made the template is wrong, but it could be that the window well, because oftentimes they're just flexible sheet metal pieces, they have some give to them, and they could be put in out of square. Really no big of a deal as long as I know which way it was facing. If this was indeed the top of the bottom, it might work, but if it was the other way around, the window well matched off of this template might not work. So I'm going to send these with the client, and they're going to just see which ones fit. The first one was definitely built to the template, but we can adjust that if it doesn't work. And then the other 2 are more symmetrical, more squared up. So we'll get those sent off down to the house, get them tested, make sure they work. And then in the meantime, Eddie has a project that he wants me to work on. So I think that's it for now. All right, so client brought the window wells back. We were able to test fit them, and we marked out where they were fitting. Now, fortunately, one that fits really good. We just need to make a couple of modifications. So we're going to show you what we're going to do real quick, and then we're going to send this one back to his house tonight. Hopefully get it back tomorrow. And then we will make this one look just like the other 2. And then we'll have 3 identical window wells. Yeah, his window wells are asymmetrical. They're not the exact same side to side. The right side is pushed in. So as we look at the window well, we can see it fits really tight right here. The tube, or the rim of the window well, starts at this point to fish out to where that it's outside here. So we're going to cut this, and we're going to bring that angle in just a smidge. All right. I might even see if I can cut that tack and that one and push those up and over, just because it's hitting right here, and I think right here in the middle of those. So once I get that, move that, push this in just a little bit because the window well is exposed at that point. And then we need to take our back piece and push it back like 1/4 of an inch. We'll use this piece of tubing to kind of make sure things don't move around too much after I get that in there. So I'll tack this on, then be able to move our back bar towards the house about 1/4 inch or so, and then we just verify that it all will fit wonderful. Yeah, so there we go. We're gonna just start working on that, trying to modify things. You can see he laid out over here. Those fit really good down this side, and awesome. Hey, while you're watching, don't forget to hit that like button. Maybe hit the subscribe if you're at it, right? And leave a comment. What would you like to see next? What projects, what welding knowledge would you like to obtain? I have a wealth of useful knowledge, and I'd love to share it. Maybe explain a thing or two. I just need some ideas on where to go. So thanks for your help. So we bumped that in. There was where the window well originally was, that mark right here, and it was out here. So I bumped it over about 1 inch. So we should still have plenty of room. I opened up that corner right there, hopefully allowing for a little bit more room over on these 2 sides. And then I squished that in. And so yeah, now we're about 3 degrees narrower on that side. You can see I made a mark across there where it originally was, and we bump it back out 1/4 inch, So we should be good to go. I will send this off with the client, and we'll see how it fits. And then if we get the go ahead, we'll make the other 3 look just like them, and then we'll cover them in expanded metal and send them off to paint.